Hey, welcome to Thursday Tips number 7. Now, to be real with you, we talking about something different, something personal, something that you can relate to, and something that cuts deep. We talking about how to make real friends. The most influential advice that I've ever gotten in my life is the importance of surrounding yourself with people who share the same vision as you. So as they're moving along their journey excelling, you feel inspired to move along your journey and excel too. So you're probably asking yourself this question: how does that correlate to making real friends? Well, you gotta look at it this way. Real friends are hard to find. And once you find them, they're hard to lose and they're easy to keep. Real friends will be there for you. Real friends will give you advice. Real friends will call you out on your mistakes. And real friends will push you to be better than the self you are currently. Yo, AQ, did you lay down them vocals yet for the track that we're working on? Oh, I will get right on that. Thanks for reminding me, bro. I appreciate you. Hey, I appreciate you, bro, man. I can't wait to hear this track, man. It's gonna be fire, bro. Lit. You have to be mindful of who you share these bonds with. You have to make sure that they are truly your real friends. For me lately, I've been seeing that a lot of real friends that I have keep in touch with me, react to a lot of my things, support me when I'm working on things like this YouTube channel, or give me positive, kind words if I'm feeling down. Or if I'm feeling up, they want to hear about it. They want to hear about the news, and they're excited to hear me express my feelings, my emotions, my storytelling. Those real friends boost you up and can help you push beyond your boundaries. Don't ever think that there is not a real friend out there, because they're there. You just have to be very selective with who you surround yourself with. A lot of us can be very naive, and you could believe that everyone you ever meet who's nice to you is your friend. That's not necessarily true. There's a lot of fakeness, there's a lot of pettiness, there's a lot of unnecessary drama. You have to make sure you find the real friends that will stick up for you, that will be there for you, and that will always have the time to check up on you. Think about that. And maybe along the road you can find and make real friends. I hope these tips help you on your journey. I hope they help you motivate and feel inspired. And I hope you feel good after this video. Please remember to like, comment, and also subscribe. And share it to someone who needs it. This is motivation through life experiences. And I'm Inspired by AQ, and I hope you enjoyed. Please comment down below any thoughts that you have on the video, any grievances, any times where you met somebody and they ended up not being your real friend. Blow up the comment section, man. I love to hear your story. Stay tuned for Friday Motivation tomorrow. Peace.